This is track record application. When user enters right URL in the browser to access track record provides user authorization screen for authentication. User needs to enter his credentials to get authorized from track record. Let us enter track record as a tester, and this user ID is test1. Let us enter his password, and he needs to select database for which he is authorized, and let us see the databases which are available in track record. Currently there are two projects running within track record. One is report management, second one is hospital management. There is a third option called all. The company head is authorized to view all projects running within track record. He can use this facility to enter track record. Now tester is authorized to access report management. Let us select report management, click on login. Once now tester is authorized. Once track record authorizes a user, track record collects all users information or reports and pass it on to the client browser, and those reports will be arranged in the form of HTML table, and that will be displayed on user landing screen. This table has a header which displays basic information of the particular user: name, role and project. His name is Harry Smith, role is tester, and his project is report management. Tester is provided with extra facility to enter or add a new defect, and that can be done by this button called add new defect. Let us revisit this button afterwards. Basically, track record reports are divided into four status level. First one is open reports, assign reports, UI assign reports and close reports. Respective reports will be arranged within these four different headers. Initially, when track record display this table, all reports will be hidden. Let us expand this. These are all open reports available under open status. This is assigned reports, UI assigned reports and close reports. Within each status level, reports are further categorized by priority levels. There are four different priority levels available within track record. First one is critical reports, second one is high level reports, medium level reports and low level reports. All critical priority reports will be placed at the top and followed by high level reports, medium level reports and low level reports. Each report will be displayed in the form of HTML row, and these rows are hyperlinked. When user hover mouse over each report line, that will be highlighted. Suppose user wants to take action on any of these reports, he needs to click mouse on each report. Let us get into a report RM005. Let us see what is going to happen. When user click this button, track record will pass the controller to report name RM005. All information related to identify the bug RM005 will be displayed in the form of a table. The table consists of a header which has got four buttons. One is go to button, that is go to home screen. Second one is edit this defect, save this defect and close this defect. When report is opened by default, all controllers will be disabled. Suppose user wants to modify this report, he has to bring this screen to edit mode. Since this is a open report, tester cannot modify this defect, only project manager is authorized to do so. So let us go back to home screen, and since he is a tester, he wants to enter a new defect. Let us see how it is going to work. Click on this button. Track record will pass the controller to different screen on which the tester can enter a new bug report. Let us start with an identification number. Let us select 0018, and he can select priority level. Let us select high level, and entered by, it is selected by default, is Harry Smith. Let us select today's date, and by default this report status is open and project is report management. Assigned to field is disabled because tester is not authorized to assign this open report to developer. This job is belong to project manager, and he can enter the description of this report. Let us say screen. Let us copy this heading to summary. Tester needs to enter build on which this bug is developed. Let us select version 4, and he needs to select platform on which he is tested. Let us say Windows 7, and all other fields are disabled because this will be filled at later stages. And once that is done, he can save this bug in the track record database. Let us say save this defect. Now this bug report is saved within a track record. Let us see by going back to home screen. Since it is an open report, let us open header. RM0018, priority status is high, log off button disable in disconnect screen, and assign to field is empty because this is still it is an open report, and this bug can be assigned to developer by project manager. Let us log in track record as manager, and we are going to assign this bug to a developer. Say manager's user ID is man1 and man1. Login. His name is Bill Evans, role is manager, project is report management, and add new defect button is not available because project manager is not authorized to do so. Let us open up all status level. Let us go back to bug number RM0018. Let us select this report. It is going to open up another table. By default this screen is disabled. Suppose if manager wants to assign, he has to get this screen to edit mode. Let us put this bug in edit mode. Certain fields are enabled, let us say assign to. Manager can assign bug to developer. Say let us select John Doe and let us put today's date, and all other fields are disabled because he is not authorized to do so. Let us save this bug. This is saved. Let us go back and check. RM0018 is not available in open category. RM0018 is available to John Doe and it is categorized as assigned bug. This RM0018 bug is assigned to developer. He is the only person who can change his status. Let us log in as developer and see how developer can change assigned report to QA status. QA assigned reports, we can do it in next video.